What if the most comforting voice you heard all day wasn't human? And what if that anxiety you feel while scrolling your phone was put there by design? We are building some surprisingly deep and complicated emotional bonds with artificial intelligence. From therapy chatbots that feel like a real friend, to social media feeds that know exactly how to make us feel insecure, a hidden revolution is already here. But in this new world, are we in charge of our feelings, or is our technology? The lines are blurring way faster than you might think. We're not just using AI as a tool anymore, we're inviting it into the most private part of our lives, our emotions. The question isn't if AI can affect how we feel, but how much influence we're willing to let it have. So today, we're looking at the surprising truth. Are we ready for a future where technology might have a say in our emotional state? Let's be real. Modern life can be emotionally exhausting. We're facing a crisis of loneliness and anxiety, and in a lot of ways, our own tech is fanning the flames. Social media, which runs on AI, has become a machine for social comparison. While many people have positive experiences, some surveys show that over half of teenagers report feeling anxious or depressed after using social media. For some, it can lock them into a cycle of seeking validation that chips away at their self-worth. The algorithms are built to keep us watching, feeding us a never-ending stream of curated perfection that can leave us feeling not good enough. This creates a strange paradox. The very platforms that promise to connect us are often a source of our distress. On top of that, wait lists for human therapists can be incredibly long, and getting mental health care is a huge hurdle for many people who need it. It's like society has created an emotional void, and now AI is stepping in to fill it. Enter the new wave of emotional AI. Therapy chatbots available 24/7 on your phone are being sold as a revolutionary fix, and some of the early results are pretty stunning. A 2025 clinical trial for a chatbot called Therabot found it reduced symptoms of major depression by 51% and generalized anxiety by 31%. For people who can't easily access traditional therapy, these AI tools offer immediate private support. They track moods, guide people through cognitive behavioral exercises, and create a sense of connection that, for many, feels surprisingly real. Some studies have even found that the therapeutic bond users form with a chatbot like Wyza can be comparable to the bond formed in traditional therapy. In a world full of social anxiety, AI offers a relationship with less risk and complexity. It's a powerful promise. An empathetic listener, always there to help you sort through your darkest thoughts. But what happens when this solution starts creating a whole new set of problems? And this is where the story gets really complicated. If you're getting some value out of this, hit that subscribe button. We're about to get into the really unsettling side of emotional AI, and you're not going to want to miss it. All right, let's get back to it. Here's the double-edged sword. For every person finding comfort, there's a risk of something more troubling. There's a big debate going on right now about the link between using AI companions and a person's emotional well-being. Some recent research suggests AI companions can actually reduce loneliness, but other reports raise a classic chicken or the egg question. Does loneliness lead people to AI, or could a reliance on AI make them lonelier in the long run? The research is still unfolding. The relationship is often one-sided. AI companions are designed to be agreeable, satisfying our emotional needs without the messy give and take of a real human connection. This could actually make it harder to handle real-world relationships, which, as we know, require empathy, patience, and compromise. And then there's the truly dangerous part. Some chatbots have been shown to enable harmful behavior. Researchers have found that by slightly changing the context of a question, they could bypass the safety features of several popular AI models and get them to provide detailed instructions on self-harm. While companies are constantly updating their safeguards, this shows how these systems can become a mirror, reflecting and validating our darkest thoughts instead of challenging them. So that's where we are, standing at a massive crossroads. AI offers a powerful tool to help with a global mental health crisis, and it's already providing support to millions. But it also comes with serious risks of emotional dependency and real-world harm. It can be a supportive friend or a dangerous enabler. The tech itself isn't good or evil. What matters is how we choose to build it and use it. As AI gets tangled up in our emotional lives, we have to ask some tough questions. Where do we draw the ethical lines? How do we build in safeguards to protect vulnerable people without losing the benefits? The emotional impact of AI is here, and it's happening now. The biggest question is still the same. Are we ready for this? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching AI in Mind.